Hi, I'm Gabby, a personal trainer.
Hey, my name is Kellani and I'm a personal trainer.
We're going to talk about SMART goals. So S is for specific, meaning a goal should have something that reaches a certain number. So if your goal is to have push-ups, to increase the number of push-ups, it would be going from 10 push-ups consecutively to 15 push-ups.
Measurable is when you need to measure your goal. So say you want to run a mile under 5 minutes. You need to be able to time that and see at one point how fast you've done it, and then to the next point how fast you've done it the next time.
A is for attainable. So you know yourself and you know what goals you can reach. So just being honest with yourself and something that's challenging but also something that's
Realistic is something that you want to be able to push your body, but you want to be able to be realistic with your goal. So say you want to do a muscle up, but you haven't even done a pull up yet. That's not realistic. So you just want to make your goal realistic.
And T finally is for time bound. So making your goal with a deadline on it. So instead of you'll reach it one day, you'll reach it by February or March or in 2 months.